Medical technology throws away a lot of junk, especially syringes. With old syringes, you can make a magnificent telescopic jack. You can see that the piston and the plunger of the 2.5 ml goes into it. Now, in this case, the rubber piston of the larger syringe fits into the nozzle of the smaller syringe. So you make holes in the rubber pistons and fit the piston of the slightly larger syringe onto the nozzles of the smaller ones. So you apply rubber glue and fix in the rubber pistons. The 6 ml piston goes onto the 2.5 ml nozzle. Now this plunger will go into its own barrel, and this is how you assemble them sequentially. The smaller goes into the medium goes into the big one. Now you make holes, 6 holes in the flanges, the grips of these syringes, and having made these holes, you thread them up. These are the 6 holes. They are marked. Now you thread them and tie each flange individually. Now these threads put a limit to the expansion range of the telescopic jack. Otherwise the syringe might just pop out. Now fill water in a very large syringe and attach it to this trio, 3 syringes with a saline tube. Now if you push the big plunger, the syringes will sequentially open and close. You can even lift a small toy car with them. You can put colored water and see the whole action more magnified, and it becomes more dramatic with colored water. You can see the telescopic jack rise sequentially, and now it's coming down.